from Garrett's Guitar Lessons here, and today I'm going to be talking about an acoustic lick that can also be used on electric, but that incorporates some open strings. Alright, now the idea of this is taking kind of the single string scales, or the horizontal scales, and applying open strings in between them. So for my first lick, what I'm going to be doing is on the second string, going through my E major scale, kind of starting arbitrarily. So, you know, I'm starting here on the 10th fret to 12th fret first. And I'm hammering that on, and then I'm going open on the first string after that. And then again, I'm just walking through that horizontal scale, going kind of descending here. So I'm going to go 10 to 12 on the second string, then 9 to 10, then 7 to 9, 5 to 7, 4 to 5, and then 2 to 4. I can also ascend that going 2 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 10, and 10 to 12. Now you don't only have to descend or ascend it, you could also kind of start mixing it up. So at the beginning there, what I did was I went 7 to 9, and then 9 to 10, and then 10 to 12, and then back to 9. Alright, so just a couple ideas there. Now my second lick is a little bit more kind of directly following our horizontal scale. So again, I'm going to be in the key of E major, and so I'm going to be going 12th fret, and then be going open first, and then open second. And then 11th fret, 9th fret, 7th, 5th, 4th, 2nd, and then just going back to the open string afterwards. I can also ascend that going 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th, 7th, 9th, 11th, 12th. And again, I don't have to just ascend or descend that horizontal scale right there. I can kind of mix it up. I can go 4th, 5th, 7th, back to 5th, or anything really. Now this lick works so well because I'm in the key of E and I'm utilizing an open E string. So if I want to move this lick to other keys or utilize other open strings, it's important that those open strings are either the root, the third, or the fifth of whatever key signature I'm in. So for example, if I want to go to the key of C, C is built C, E, G, I can utilize that lick using my open first string or my open third string, right? So I'm going to stay on the second string just like my first lick, but this time I'm going to be using my horizontal scale on the second string of the key of C. So I can go. And that one works, or I can also utilize that open third string because C, E, G, G is the fifth of my key of C. Anyways, just an idea to kind of get the licks flowing, and again, on my acoustic guitar soloing, I always try to incorporate as much open strings as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out GarrettsGuitarLessons.com for free tabs, resources, and backing tracks to practice these licks over. Thank you, and have a great day.